The product we present is called ExpreSer. ExpreSer is an abbreviation for Express and Eraser. This product is named this way because it is an innovation from a whiteboard eraser that has been renewed by us.
During learning time, the teacher will necessarily write on the whiteboard when giving the explanation to the student. At the end of the class, the whiteboard will full of writing that has been done. This causes the teacher to erase the whiteboard using a small board eraser. This method will be time consuming, requiring a lot of energy. Therefore, our team has created an innovation product that can help this problem.
This product will be installed on a whiteboard using wheels, PVC pipe and iron connectors. Recycled materials such as oak cloths will be used as extinguishers and will be attached to the PVC pipe. With this product innovation, we can erase the whiteboard more cleanly and save energy to erase writing. This product is very efficient because it can be installed on various types of whiteboards.
This innovation is designed to help solve the problem of teachers having to erase the many writings found on the whiteboard. This product can help erase the whiteboard more efficiently and quickly. Anyone who uses this product just needs to pull the handle on the PVC pipe and slide it through the whiteboard.
For this product, we will use a PVC pipe which length depends on the length of the whiteboard. We also use 4 wheels that will be attached to the top and bottom of the PVC pipe. Then, we will use an iron connector to attach the product on the whiteboard. And the last material that we will use is oak wood.